Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
So today we are going to continue sums of probability. Okay, we have already learned the various terms that will be used in probability. We have learned what is a sample space, right? What is a sample space? It is a set of all the possible outcomes of a random experiment, and we denote sample space by U. So we already know what is sample space. We already know what is the event, what is union event, intersection event, difference event, right? Now we are going to do the few examples. Okay, fine. So let's try some examples. First of all, whenever a question is given to you, you have to find the sample space. First concern will be to find the sample space. What is this question? There are 3 employees working in an office which are females and 2 are male. In an office, 5 persons are working, 3 are female and 2 are male. You have to select one employee. Okay, when we have to select one employee from the 5 employees, it will be done in how many ways? 5C1 ways. 5C1 ways, the answer for 5C1 is 5. Means total number of outcomes that you will get is 5. Okay, 5 employees. How many female? We have F1, we have F2, we have F3, and we have male 1 and male 2. We have 5 employees. Okay, now then it is given 1 is to be selected, 1 we have already selected. We have 5 employees, sample space is done. Event A is selection of female employee. Event A is selection of female employees. Female employees we have how many? We have 3 female employees. So selection of A will be F1, F2 and F3. Okay, selection of A is selection of female employees, F1, F2, F3. Event B is selection of male employees. Male employees we have 2. So we have M1 and M2. Fine? Okay. The first question, you have to find A union B. A union B. What is union? When it is union between the 2 events A and B, we want A also, we want B also, we want the common part also, but only, is there any common part? No, so no concern, but we have to write A also and B also. So what will be A union B? A union will be F1, F3, M1 and M2. Nothing is common, so no concern at all. Right? Then we have A intersection B. A intersection B. In A also, B also. The common part. Intersection means what? The common part. Do we have anything common in this question? If we don't have anything common, we can write empty curly bracket or null set. Okay, because nothing is common. Fine. Next is A complement. A dash is what? A complement intersection B. When it is A complement, what does it mean? We don't want A. And if we don't want A किस में से नहीं चाहिए? B में से. So this question is B minus A. B minus A. B में से A नहीं चाहिए. A नहीं चाहिए, उसका intersection भी नहीं चाहिए. तो we have to remove B minus A intersection B. As it is, we don't have any intersection part only. Intersection है ही नहीं, तो क्या बचेगा? Only B. और B क्या था? Male employees. Only male employees. So answer will be M1 and M2. Is it clear to everyone? Union A भी चाहिए, B भी चाहिए, कॉमन वाला भी चाहिए, बट एक ही बार. इंटरसेक्शन सिर्फ कॉमन वाला. ये कैसा इवेंट है? डिफरेंस इवेंट है. A माइनस बी माने B नहीं चाहिए. B नहीं चाहिए, उसका इंटरसेक्शन भी नहीं चाहिए. B माइनस A माने बी में से ए नहीं चाहिए, ए नहीं चाहिए, उसका इंटरसेक्शन भी नहीं चाहिए. Here it was written a complement. A complement, what does it interpret? A complement means we don't want A. From where? From B. So it is B minus A event. Okay, difference event B minus A. B में से निकाल दिया A को, उसका intersection भी. Is it clear to everyone? Now, coming to the next question, is this event called mutually exclusive event? Now, what is mutually exclusive event? Mutually exclusive event means two events which are totally apart, totally different from each other. There is nothing common in both of them. A है, B है, उस दोनों में कुछ कॉमन नहीं है, उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव इवेंट. इज दिस इवेंट कॉल्ड म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव इवेंट? व्हाई? Because we don't have anything common. Do we have A intersection B? No. So whenever A intersection B and the answer is null set, that event is called a mutually exclusive event. And yes, this event is mutually exclusive event, right? Then next is mutually exhaustive event. First of all, we'll recall what is mutually exhaustive. What is mutually exhaustive? Whatever we have in A and whatever we have in B, that the same numbers we have in U also. राइट, U में एक भी नंबर A और B से ज्यादा नहीं होगा. जो A में है, B में है, बस वही है U में. Right? So whenever we have A, we have F1, F2, F3, and we have in B M1 and M2. Same we have in U also. F1, F2, F3, M1 and M2. Not a single element is more, right? So we have A union B, and the answer is what? The answer is U, that is sample space, right? And whenever A union B is equals to U, the event will be called mutually exclusive, exhaustive. Yes, it is mutually exhaustive event. Is it clear to everyone? I really hope it is cleared. What is union? What is intersection? What is difference? What is mutually exclusive? What is mutually exhaustive events? Is it clear? Very clear? Now, next we will be going to do your favorite sum of cards. Okay, let's start. Now, as it is, you all know how many cards we have? 52 cards we have. Okay, we have spade, we have club, we have diamond, and we have, I think spade is something like this. Club is something like this, diamond is something like this, and heart is something like this. Fine. So we have 4, we have spade, we have club, we have heart, and we have diamond. Each part, everyone has how many cards? 13 cards. Okay, the spade cards will start from SA until S10, and then we have face cards also. Which are the face cards? We have king, we have queen, and we have jack. Okay, we have SK, that is king, we have queen, and we have SJ, that is jack. Then club also, in club also it will start from A and it will end till 10, and then we'll have king, we have queen, and we have jack. Similarly, of heart also, diamond also, diamond will also start from A and end till 10. Then we'll have king, we'll have queen, and we'll have jack. Is it clear? Similarly, in heart also, we have till 10. Then we'll have king, we'll have queen, and we'll have a jack. Okay? So this concept should be crystal clear to you that we have 4 parts. We have spade, we have club, we have heart, and we have diamond. And each part has how many cards? 13, 13, 13, 13. In heart or in everything, we have 10 number cards and 3 face cards. Now, total number cards will be 10 in each. 10 in spade, 10 in heart, 10 in diamond, and 10 in club, right? So at 40 we will be having number cards, number cards will be 40 and face cards will be having 12 face cards, 3 in each, right? So we'll be having 12 face cards. Now tell me, we have two colors. We have red color and we have black color. How many cards we have in each color? 26. We have 26 black cards and we have 26 red cards. This concept has to be cleared so that we can solve the problem whatever is given to you. Okay, fine. The first thing was given to you. You have to find U. Now what is U? U is all the cards, right? All the cards that is given to you. We have all the 52 cards as U. My U is starting from here and ending here. Yes or no?
Yes.
Everything will be included, all the space cards with number cards also and face cards also. Heart, number cards also, face card also. So everything will be included in U. So you will have all the 52 cards, right? Now A is the selection of spade card. Event A is the selection of spade card. How many spades cards we have? We have SA, we have S2, we have S3, we have S4, we have S5, S6, S7, S8, S9, S10, and we have 3 non-face cards, that is we have picture cards. Which cards we have? SK, SQ and SJ. So this is what? This is A, selection of spade cards. Spade card, all the spade cards. Number cards also and face cards also. Then event B is non-face card. Now what do you mean by non-face cards? Non-face card means we don't want king, queen and jack. We just want the number cards. How many number cards we have? We have 40 number cards. Means my B will start from SA to S10, CA to C10, then HA to H10 and DA to D10. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
B is an event where we want only number cards. There are no face cards. तो हमने सिर्फ number cards लिखे. A is our ace to 10. सारे ace to 10, ace to 10, ace to 10. किसका? डायमंड का भी, हार्ट का भी, क्लब का भी और स्पेड का भी. ठीक है? चलो. Now my concern is I want A union B. My first event A union B. जो A में भी हो, जो B में भी हो और कॉमन वाला पार्ट भी. लेकिन now first of all tell me what is common. This portion is common, right? Yes. So this we will write only for once. Okay. So SA till S10. It is common. This we will write only once. But we have spade, king, queen and jack also. So that will also be there. SK, SQ, SJ. What else will come? All the B part. सिर्फ ये वाला part फिर से नहीं लिखना है. तो what will come? CA to HA to H10 and DA to D10. Is it clear to everyone? Okay. A union B. We want A also, we want B also, we want common area also, but the common area will be written only once. And the common area here it was SA to S10, so we wrote it only once. Is it clear to everyone? Okay. Then A intersection B. A intersection B means what? Which is there in A also and B also. Means only the common area. Common area कौन सा है? SA to S10. So SA to S10 will be my common area. So it is A intersection B. Is it clear? Are you able to understand? The common area. The next question that I have is B complement. What do you mean by B complement? B complement means we don't want, if we don't want B, we have to remove B. Yes, B निकालना है, लेकिन किस में से? U में से. B complement है. It is only B complement. Nothing is there with it. If it is B complement, we have to remove U minus B. U में जो भी है उसमें से B वाला पोर्शन को निकाल दो. B वाला पोर्शन को जब हम लोग निकाल देंगे तो B क्या था? S A C A सारे नंबर कार्ड्स थे. B वाला पोर्शन मीन्स ऑल द नंबर कार्ड्स. मीन्स अब हमारे पास क्या बचा? All the face cards of everything. We have face card of spade also. We have face card of club also. Diamond also. Heart also. So we have SK. We have SQ. We have SJ. We have CK. We have CQ. We have CJ. We have DK. We have DQ and DJ. And we have HK. We have HQ. And we have... Are you able to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
How to write, how to interpret? This question, it was given B complement. What does it mean B complement? We don't want B. If you don't want B, you have to remove B. तो remove कहाँ से करना है? U में से. Understanding? Not A में से. U में से. So U minus B. Okay? If it is given A complement,
You minus A. You minus A.
if it is given A complement, we have to remove A. From where? U. It will be U minus A. Whatever is A, we have to remove. Whatever is there in A, we have to remove it from the U portion. Is it clear? Okay. If it is given A complement intersection B. When it is given A complement intersection B, what does that mean? We don't want A. We don't want A, but from where?
B.
From B. So this is a difference event. Difference event which? This is a difference event B minus A. We don't want A. If we don't want A, remove it. From where? From B. So B minus A, and if we don't want A, we don't want their intersection portion also. So B minus A intersection B. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If it is given A intersection B complement, what does it mean? We don't want
B.
If we don't want B, we have to remove B. From where?
A.
From A. So it will be A minus B. When it is A minus B, we don't want B and we don't want the common portion also. So we will remove it. A minus A intersection B. Are you able to understand?
Yes.
Okay. Can this event be called as mutually exclusive event?
Yes. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Why? Because we have the common portion, and that is why this event cannot be called as mutually exclusive event. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
We learned union, we learned intersection, we learned the difference event also, A minus B, B minus A, and we learned mutually exclusive and exhaustive also. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll continue in the next class. Thank you.